really like to brag, but I'm on the sauce. Cause I'm whiskey dipping. Got my brother out in cash for a flip. 2 seconds free, bro.
I'm trying to spill it. Oh, if you ain't got you. Like this motherfucker having a baby.
Yeah, it's finna squirt, huh?
Most definitely finna squirt, my boy.
13 millimeter.
It actually ain't gonna be that bad, just on the strength that the coin been running. So it's always best to do is cold anyway.
Yeah.
You gotta worry about burning your hands and all the other people. It's all a little bitty ass thing.
We gonna make it do what it do.
Most definitely gonna make it work, my boy. Shouldn't be that bad. It's pretty easy. She's squirting. Oh, yeah, she's coming out. Oh, shit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked
I
up.
got the bag, fam.
Oh, God. It's cool, though. It ain't that bad.
No, it's cool. Shit, I clean it up.
Take this, right around this. Yeah, give me the flathead.
Flathead.
There she is. Look at that shit. Try to catch as much as you can.
Is she out?
Grab it.
Which one? This?
Yeah. Always make sure the bleeder hole is facing up.
Okay.
The bleeder hole right there. Little pin.
Yep.
Always make sure that's facing up when you put these back in there. Alright, good to go.
Damn, that's it.
That's it. The hard part is try to ease this bag back out.
Oh yeah, all that whole just on the back pile you put it on.
Yeah, it's simple as hell. Yeah. Some people just not mechanically inclined or act like they think it's harder. Some cars I can say is harder as well. So Hemis, the stuff that you think that ain't ain't easy, is a lot of this shit be easy. Like this is easy as hell.
In and out, just like that. Tighten up the bolt, the 2 bolts you took off. Bam.
Make sure you don't over tighten them.
And now you pour it in there.
Typically use a clean funnel. And typically don't use no trash bag. Use a
What the fuck? We gonna beep that out.
Oh yeah. But typically you catch everything with when you use a Ziploc bag, a big one.
Yeah.
This shit is tore, so it had caught down there and it tore.
Yep. But it's alright, bro. We're gonna get it all together. I'll go buy another one. Get this cleaned off. It ain't nothing. Oh,
What?
that shit. You got more.
Zerex. I always use Zerex
Mhm.
G05. This is the 50/50. You can buy the full concentrate. You just have to water it down. Use diluted water. And I usually use like a 70-30 ratio. So like 70% of the concentrate and
Yeah.
like 30% diluted water.
Cool.
But the 50/50 will work. So we're gonna top this off, start it up, let it idle, let it run. Make sure ain't no air in the hoses and everything like that. Sometimes you'll get the air in the lines and then you'll have surges where it bubble up,
Yeah.
where the temperature will go up and down. That's because it's a blank spot
Yeah.
when it's cycling through. So it's air in your lines. So we're gonna make sure all this cool and clean all this up.
It don't matter that it's two different colors. But it's cool.
This is long as it's, this is the best one to use for these coils.
Okay, bet.
So it don't matter if it's two different colors, as long as you buy the right stuff. I wouldn't use nothing but Z-Rex for Mopar.
Top it up to that line. You straight.
We're gonna start it up. Look at that.
I like this old school look. It's cool with me. We stuck at 179 right now. Okay, 181. See what you talking about. Moving from 183. I like to see that. Been like this for a good 3-4 minutes.
It went down a little bit. Just going back and forth.
I'm sorry, other 392s. You ain't gonna mess with this. And it's just stuck there.